This is Branding Bootcamp, where we show you the how-tos and the should-nots. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to correctly resize the Montgomery College logo in PowerPoint and how to quickly fix it if it gets stretched or distorted. Let's get started. MC has updated PowerPoint templates with our new look. You can find them on our website here. To insert the logo, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, find Picture, and select Picture from File. Locate the logo on your computer and select it. The logo will be inserted into the slide. Click once on the logo. Move your mouse to one of the corner handles. Hold down the Shift key, then click and drag from the corner to make the logo bigger or smaller. Holding Shift keeps the proportions locked so the logo doesn't stretch or squish. Never drag from the side handles. That can distort it. If it accidentally gets squished, don't worry. Just press Ctrl-Z or click the undo icon at the top of your screen. If that doesn't fix it, right-click the logo and choose Size and Position. In the dialog box, make sure Lock Aspect Ratio is unchecked and that the height and width numbers match. You'll also see a Reset button in this window. Clicking that instantly restores the logo to its original proportions and size. For more Branding Bootcamp videos, to access official logo files, or additional information about the MC brand, please visit our brand website.